Introducing the Napoleon W010-3561 baffle set, the perfect replacement for your Napoleon wood stove. Designed for models like the 1400, 1400C, and more, this durable set includes two high-quality ceramic fiber baffles that help improve heat distribution and maximize efficiency. By directing the flow of hot gases, promoting complete combustion, and protecting from excessive heat, it plays a vital role in ensuring optimal performance. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of the baffle set are essential for keeping your stove in good working condition. A well-functioning baffle can reduce the amount of fuel needed and help lower heating costs. Easy to install, the W010-3561 baffle set helps extend the lifespan of your stove. If one is damaged, cracked, or deteriorating in any way, it is best to replace both. Make sure to check compatibility with your model for a perfect fit.